Hello, a great day to you. This is Bankola Adeyemi from Klacify Nigeria. I want to show to you in this video how you set CBT questions using your phone. So the first thing is to click on the menu icon, School Portal. Then you click on Assignment and CBT. You select the class you want to set question for, GS1 for example. Then at the bottom here, you click on the plus sign here. Then select New CBT exam. The title of the exam, so this should be the subject and what it's for. For example, you can say Basic Science Test. Let's say Test 1. Then continue. So here you have the page to set your questions. So if you want to type the questions, simply tap here. Then you type your question. Let's say, which of these is a metal? So you can also type mathematics questions by using these symbols here for mathematics, but this is not a math question, so there's no need for that. So as you type the questions at the top here, they are going to be showing here. So if you are done with the question, you're okay. You click on the check mark at the top. Then it brings you back here. The next thing is to input your options. So A, wood. B, rubber. C, zinc. And D, say plastic. So as you can see, I've entered the options A to D. The next thing is to select the correct answer so that the system can automatically mark the questions when your students attempt the question. So the correct answer to this question is option C. So I'm just going to type the answer C here. So that's how to set questions by typing them directly. But you have other options that you can still do. You can, if your question, for example, includes an image, you can include an image by tapping on this image picture here, feature. Okay, please save first before adding photos. Okay, so to save it, just click on this. It has been saved. Now if I want to add a picture, it's simple. Just tap on this. Then it brings you to whether you want to use your phone camera or you already have the picture in your gallery and you select it. So I'm not selecting a picture. So what other thing? Now, to make typing of a question faster, if you already have your questions, let's say in a Word document or PDF document, you can be copying and pasting. Let me do that now. Okay, this is question 1. If you want to add another question, just click on the plus sign for question 2. As you can see, this page has popped up for question 2. Now let me copy questions from a document that I already have. So I'm minimizing my phone, going to Drive. So I have big science questions here. So let me say I want to copy question number 7. And just copy questions, copy, minimize again, come here, paste, click on the check mark, then the options. Let me minimize. Can copy the options too, but since I know them, irritability, sleeping, respiration, and nutrition, so I might not need to copy everything. So these ones I can type them. Irritability. Okay. Sleeping. The third option, respiration. Respiration. Click on check mark. So the correct answer is also C here. Excuse me. So that's where you set questions. However, there are other ways that you can generate questions. As you can see at the bottom here, as you can see here, we have generate with AI, import from CSV, export CSV, and so on and so forth. So there are different videos on this one, especially generate with AI and import from CSV. But this is just a basic tutorial on how to set CBT questions using the phone. You can see the videos on how to generate questions with AI and CSV. Thank you. So once you are done, don't forget to click the save button here. Save. So your question is save. Save and exit. So as you can see, the question will be here. If you come to your CBT section, let's go back to the beginning of the app. So you come here, school portal, CBT and exam, JS1. So this is CBT question. So if you tap on it as well, you can still do some settings here. If you click on edit settings, so you can change the name if you wish to change. You can decide to shuffle the questions. That is, for one student, you don't want the questions to appear in the same order for all students. For a student, number 1 question could be number 3 question for another student to prevent cheating. So number of questions to be answered, number of time, minutes that should be allotted, and do you want it to capture the footage while the students are writing the exam. So if you are okay with all this, just click on update settings, and that is it. So this means your questions are set for writing, and for students to write it, all you need to do is just to copy this CBT code. That's what they are going to enter in the School Connect app to be able to do it. Thank you very much.